Here I have ZYREX ZA987, and let me show you how to enter here the screen lock settings, and let me show you how to set up here the screen lock method. So at the very beginning, let's choose here settings. From the list of settings, let's find and select security, choose here screen lock, and let's decide that you would like to use face unlock, voice unlock, pattern, pin, password or fingerprint. So in my case, let me here use the pattern. Let's draw the unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's draw it again just for confirmation. Tap confirm, and that's it. Now if you would like to lock your device, let's press the power key, and to unlock it, let's use the pattern. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.